Hello, this is Tony with Advanced Auto Clinic in Delavan, Wisconsin. We are excited and proud to celebrate Veterans Day. For the month of November, we are providing half-price oil changes for all those who served in our military. We are also donating $5 from each oil change performed in the month of November to a local veterans organization. So support our veterans. Give us a call at 262-728-2944 to set up an appointment, or visit us online at aacdelavan.com.